Okay, dear students, we are in 6.5 exercise application of derivatives and we have finished up to question number 17th in the last class. Okay, 17 questions we have finished. Let us see in this class 4 more questions. 18, 19, 20, 21 we are going to finish. Why? Because these are a little bit time taking questions. Okay. See 18th question number 18 what they have given. Like question number 17 only. Question number 17, in a square piece, we have cut all squares, corners, we have made box for maximum value and the cutting size of the square piece we have found. Here also, but here rectangular sheet, you see a rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeter by 25 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? Okay. See, logic is here. I am drawing here figure. Okay, afterwards I will remove this. Earlier this was square, now it is a rectangle. Rectangle means length and breadth both are different. Okay. You see, length is 45, breadth is 24. Okay, and 4 corners again we have cut this square pieces. This square piece let x we will take. Okay, same size, 4 sides, 4 corners, same x. Automatically the length is going to become 45 minus 2x, breadth is going to become 24 minus 2x. Why? Because here also x is going to cut. 24 minus x. Earlier it was 24 total full. Okay. Now 24 minus 2x. Earlier it was 45 total. Now 45 minus 2x. Then what will be the height? Length, breadth we know. What will be the height? Height will be x only. Why? Because when you fold automatically height is going to become x. Okay. Then dimensions we will write. Let us write first dimensions. Length is equal to 45 minus 2x, comma, breadth is equal to 24 minus 2x, comma, height is equal to x. Okay. Now you see, we have to find x. Okay, x we can find. What is the condition? Volume maximum. This is condition. This is very important for differentiation. This is very important. Volume maximum. That means volume in terms of x you have to write function. Okay. How to write? You see how I am writing. V of x is equal to LBH. Volume in terms of x you have to. Why? Because maximum is asking means this you have to make this double derivation. V double dash x should be, or else I will write like this. V double dash x maximum means this should be less than 0. V double dash double dash. V double dash x should be less than 0. Then only maximum value volume will come. Okay. Then you write the formula for volume first. You see, V of x is equal to 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. LBH, volume. Okay. You see, 3 U into V into W I don't want to take. Why? Because I will make at least 1. You see what I am doing. 45 minus 2x into 24x minus 2x square. 24x minus 2x square. Now u into v form it is there. We can do it easily. Okay. What is our motto? See, first v dash x we will found. V dash x we will make it equal to 0. X value will come. 2 values may come. You keep aside. Then v double dash x you make. Substitute the text. If 2 comes means whichever value, if it comes less than 0, then that will be the value of this x. Okay. Okay, why? Because maximum value has to come. Okay. Let us proceed. First v dash x is v dash x. First derivative. V dash x is equal to, you see, d by dx of u into v. V d by dx of u. U means what? -2. Okay. Plus u d by dx of v. D by dx of v means, you see, 24 minus 4x. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. See, this is negative, minus. Even though negative means here this positive will come. Let me write, no problem. I am writing, you see what I am writing. V dash x is equal to, see, -4, -2 plus 4 x square, then minus 48 x. Okay, this side over. Now you multiply this 45 into 24. 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 1080. See, plus only 1080 plus 1080. Afterwards minus 48x with 24 over with minus 4x. See, 45 2s are 90, 4s are 180, minus 180x. Okay. Minus plus 4 into 2 8, x into x square. Okay. See, whenever I require space, I am going to remove this figure. Okay. That beforehand you note down. Okay. X square. See, how many x squares are there? 4x square, 8x square, 12x square. Okay. X square over story. See, x minus 48, minus 96. Again 180. 180. Okay. $276 minus 276x. Okay, x also over. Now constant only 1080, that's all, plus 1080. Okay. See, v dash x we have got. Next procedure is you make v dash x is equal to 0 and find x. Why? Because the quadratic equation, two values may come. Okay. V dash x implies 0 implies, see, 12 I am taking common. 12 into x square minus, see, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 23x plus 12 9s are 108, 1290 is equal to 0. Okay, anyway 12 we are going to send that side, but you see here, you see 23 has to come, but multiplication 90 has to come, 1 into 90. Okay, see, 18 5s are 90, 18 plus 5 23, minus 18 minus 5 plus 2 plus 90 minus 23. Okay, see how I am writing. X square minus 18x minus 5x plus 90 is equal to 0. Is it correct? Okay. Okay. Then you make it x common. If you take x minus 18, you see x square minus 18x up to here over. Again you repeat x minus 18. Okay. X square minus 18. Okay. Minus 5x has to come. Minus 5x means you keep minus 5. Minus 5x plus 90. Plus 90. Okay. Now you see x is having two values. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 18. Write down. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 18. Okay. See, I am removing this figure. Okay. We don't have space. Okay. This you box it, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 18. You see, between these two values only one value will be correct, but which is that value, how to find? See, v double dash x also you do, substitute to 5, substitute to 18, at which value x less than 0 comes, that is the correct answer, x. Okay, why? Because maximum means v double dash x should be less than 0. Okay, write down first v double dash x you do, v double dash x. Okay, first derivative, which is last, latest? This is latest, you see, first derivative. Okay, then you make it second derivative, 24x minus 276. Okay, now v double dash x at x is equal to 5. That means you see v double dash 5 is equal to 24 into 5 minus 276. 180, 120. 24 5s are 100, 4 5s are 20. 100 plus 20, 120. 120 minus, you see, 120 minus 276. Minus 156 is less than 0. That means, see, 5 is correct answer. But let us see 18 also. V double dash 18. 24 into 18 minus 276. 18 4s are 72. Okay? 18 2s are 36 plus 7. 43. 432 minus 276. 6. 5. 156. This is plus 156 greater than 0. But greater than 0, see, double derivative greater than 0 means minimum value. We don't require this. See how I am cross marking it. Okay? Then what will be the answer? X 5. V double dash x is maximum at x is equal to 5. Therefore, the size of square cut is 5 centimeter. You understand now? Okay? Like this you write and close this question. Let us go for 9. Okay. See 19th question. Here there is no data. You have to understand, you have to prove. Show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a fixed circle, the square has maximum area. You see what I am writing here. You observe carefully. This, whenever we don't require, we will remove this figure. Okay. See, this is a circle, fixed circle. Fixed circle having some radius. With radius you can make a circle. Afterwards 2 pi r also, r will be radius. Area also pi r square, r will be radius. That means for circle radius r will be important, one identity. Okay. Inside this circle, all rectangles, several rectangles are there, like he is telling. But finally what he is asking? The square has maximum area. You see, you can keep inscribing means what? The key. See, this is called inscribing. Inside, in a circle. This is called circumscribing. Inscribing, circumscribing. Okay? Circumscribing means square should be outside. See, square is inscribed in circle means this one. Inscribed. Square is circumscribed on circle means this one. Okay? Here inscribed is the length. Inscribed in a circle. Inscribed in circle means like this you have to write. You understand? Okay. Not circumscribed is inscribed. Inscribed means inside. Okay. You see here, for circle 3 dimensions are important. See, first of all, let us see. Circle is having maximum area. Okay. But this is circle like we have to square. Square is having maximum area like they have given. We have to prove that this is a square like. How to proceed? You see here. This will be radius r, diagonal. This also r. Total diagonal will be 2r, r plus r. That means one radius diameter. R plus r, 2r will be the diagonal. Okay. You see here. This side I will take as x, this side I will take as y. For square, x is equal to y. For rectangle, x is not equal to y. We know very well. Okay. We will proceed like this is rectangle. We will prove that finally x is equal to y. That is why this is a square. Okay. Okay. See, what are the data we have to take? See, how to proceed finally? See, r you take. In terms of r only we are going to do all this data. Here x is not there, r. Okay. Or else you convert y also in terms of x. X in terms of r you take and convert y also in terms of x. Then you proceed. That is one procedure. Afterwards you see here what is the main criteria. Main criteria is maximum area. That means first area you have to find. Area you have to write in a function form. Ax. X we will take as a base. A of x. A double dash x should be less than 0. Then only area should be maximum. Like that you have to understand concept here. Okay. See, let us proceed first. You see what I am writing. First data I am writing. Let r is equal to radius. Or radius is equal to r. X is equal to length. Y is equal to breadth. X is equal to length of a rectangle. Y is equal to breadth of a rectangle. But r is equal to radius of the circle. Okay. See, for right angled triangle, I am writing here easy. For right angled triangle, two r square. Why? Because r plus r, 2r. 2r square is equal to x square plus y square. Is it correct? First you see. R plus r, 2r square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 2r square. Okay. You see what I am writing. Y square is equal to x square. I am sending this side. 4r square minus x square. Y in terms of x I am writing. That's all. Y square is equal to 4. See, 2r whole square, 4r square. Okay. Then y 4r square minus x square, but under root. Y is equal to square root of 4r square minus x square. Okay. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. Now proceed further. Okay. Now see, you have to take maximum area means area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area in terms of x I am taking xy, that is equal to, again I am writing area of x is x only, but y I am taking this 4r square minus x square. Okay. Now you stop. Until now you understand figure also. Okay. See, we have not yet proven x is equal to y. If you prove x is equal to y, automatically this inside will be square. Square only having maximum volume, like maximum area. Area maximum we have to make. A dash x you have to find. X value you take. A double dash x you find, substitute that x, that should come less than 0 maximum area. Then with that x you find again y. Why? Because see y root y x relation is there. If x is equal to y, then this is square. That's all. Okay, fine. Let us find a dash x. A dash x is equal to, you see, u into v form is there. V d by dx, u means 1 plus u, carefully you do here. You see, d by dx of root x, 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x, 4r square minus x square. Again inside, d by dx of 4r square minus x square, that means minus 2x. See, minus I am keeping here into 2x. You see here, 2 are going to get cancelled. That is one thing. Second thing, you see, if I cross multiply, automatically this root is going to get cancelled. 4r square minus x square. 4r square minus x square. Okay. Minus x square. See, 2 cancelled. X into x is there. Minus x square. Divided by, again this root will come. 4r square minus x square under root. Why? Because see, 2 got cancelled already. Okay. Now finally what will come here? A dash x is equal to 4r square minus 2x square divided by 4r square minus x square under root. Okay. Okay. Now you need not do a dash x, you make it equal to 0 and find x value. You see what I am writing. A dash x is equal to 0 implies 4r square is equal to 2x square. X square is equal to 2r square. X is equal to square root of 2r. R else shall I write root 2r? X is equal to root 2r. This I am making box x value. Why? Because this is very important. You understand now? Until now, do you understand? Okay. Area, first derivation we have done and x value also we have found. Now, area double derivation you have to do. Substitute this x, that should come less than 0. Then area is maximum, like we can say. See, double derivation is not easy. You see, u by v is there, again root is there. That little bit complex it is, but we have to do. Little bit complex. Why? Because see, u by v not as simple. Here again, square root is there. A double dash x I am doing, you see. Area A double dash x is equal to d by dx of u by v. V d by dx of u, that means see minus 4x. Okay. See, we are doing with x means so automatically r will be constant like 0 minus 4x. Okay. D by dx of u by v, v du by dx, okay, minus u dv by dx. You see, root x is there. That means you see what will come here, 2 root 4r square minus x square. Okay. Again inside minus 2x. But you see, these two are going to get cancelled. We will see afterwards. Here this also minus plus is going to become, that is different. Over no, divided by v square. That means the square root is going to exhaust. So square means 4r square minus x square. because root will go. V divided by v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Okay, now I am removing this figure. We don't require. X is equal to y, you have to prove. Then it will be a square like. Okay. Okay. Now you see, cross multiplication I will do and write here. While doing cross multiplication, you okay. See, this x should be multiplied. See, minus minus okay, but x should be 4r square x square to x cube. Both we have to multiply. Okay. See what I am writing. That is equal to. This will be like this only. You write down minus 4x into square root of 4r square minus x square. Okay, you see minus minus plus I will write, but x should be multiplied for both. 4r square x minus 2x cube. Okay. See what we will write. We have already cross multiplied like you think. Cross multiplied. Okay, 4r square minus x square only will come. Minus 4x will be outside. Okay. And this side also we have cross multiplied. Minus minus plus over. Now you see 4r square root and this both will come in denominator. That means you see 4r square minus x square square root of 4r square minus x square. Okay. Okay. You see, y I have written, x also I have written. Further we will do here. That means we will substitute a double dash x at root 2r. You see what I am writing. A double dash x at x is equal to root 2r implies. Okay. See, minus 4x into no x. X means x you have to write to root 2r. Minus 4 root 2r into 4r square minus x square. You see 4r square minus x square means you see 2r square I will write directly. Plus 4r square x. Here 4r square x means root 2, 4 root 2 r and r square r cube. Okay, minus 2 x cube. X cube means how I am writing, you see here. X square into x I will write. X square will be 2r square. X will be root 2r. But finally what I can write? 2 root 2 r cube. Okay, 2 root 2 r cube. I have written. Okay. This is up to here. Again you come down. Okay. 4r square minus square, same. 4r square minus 2r square. Inside also 4r square minus 2r square. X square means 2r square. Okay. See, this you simplify further. Send inside. Send inside. You see 4 into 4, 16. First you make it plus. Plus 8 root 2. 4 into 2, 8 root 2. R square, r cube. Okay. Okay. And minus 16 root 2 r cube. Okay. Okay. You see 4 root 2 r cube minus 2 root 2 r cube means 2 root 2 r cube plus 2 root 2 r cube. Okay. See 4r square minus 2r square, 2r square. Okay. 2r square but root 2r. Okay, that means 2 root 2 r cube will come afterwards. Okay, let it be. You see here 8 root 2, 2 root 2, 10 root 2. Minus 16 root 2 r cube. divided by, you see, 2 root 2 r cube. Okay. See, 10 minus 16, minus 6 root 2 r cube by 2 root 2 r cube. I think r cube. That means minus 3 is less than 0. Okay? Is it okay? See, we want area less than 0. Less than 0 has come. That means corrected. At x is equal to root 2r, it is corrected. Now what we have to find? Y value you have to find. If y comes root 2r, then x and y both are equal. That is why this is a square. Like we can confirm. Okay. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. Y is equal to square root of 4r square minus x square. X square means 2r square. That is equal to square root of 2r square. That is equal to root 2r. That is equal to x. That means you should write x is equal to y. Length is equal to breadth. Therefore, this is a square. Okay. Maximum also we have proved less than 0. X is equal to y. Length is equal to breadth. Also we have proved. That is why this is a square. Inside the circle, if you inscribe square, you will be having maximum area. Okay. Let us proceed for next question. Okay. Question number 20. First you understand it carefully. Show that the right circular cylinder this is right circular cylinder. See, it is having only 2 dimensions. So one is height, another one is radius. That's all. Okay. Radius and height, only 2 dimensions. If you have, then you can find this right circular cylinder. What they have written? Show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum. Given surface area also you have to take. Clearly they have not given. Given surface means surface area how to find and you have to keep aside. Maximum volume, that means volume, how much volume? Pi r square into h will be the volume. That volume should be maximum. That means volume in terms of radius we will take. Okay? So that its height is equal to diameter of the base. That means finally what you have to prove? Height is equal to diameter means 2 times radius. That's all. H is equal to 2r. If you prove automatically, you have proved like. Okay. Here dimensions and all you need not prove. That is the logic. Okay. See here surface area also you have to take. Surface area how you are going to take? You see I am writing here. S is equal to, see, pi r square. Top and this thing 2 pi r square. Plus surface area formula, you see I have confused. Top and bottom pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square, that is okay. But you see lateral surface area 2 pi r into h, 2 pi r into h, that you have to take. Okay. Then you go for h. H is equal to, you see, s minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. Okay. That gives s by 2 pi r minus 2 pi r you will going to cancel r. See, this is also very important. That is equal to h. You box it at present. H is equal to s by 2 pi r minus r. Okay, that you have to take. See, here you have got h. Now you go for volume. What is volume? Pi r square into h. Write down. Volume V in terms of r. I am writing pi r square h. H will be this one. S by 2 pi r minus r. Pi r square h. Okay. You see what you send inside. Pi r going to get cancelled. SR by 2. pi got cancelled, bottom r also got cancelled, one r will be there, yes r, and pi got 2 will be there, okay, minus pi r cube. Is it okay, we are? Wait. Now what is our motto? See, we have to prove that height is equal to 2, diameter of the base means h is equal to 2r, you have to prove. Maximum volume also is asking, that means volume you have to make first derivation, you find r value, keep aside, r value also you require, na? Okay, then second derivative, substitute to that r, that should come less than 0, then only maximum volume. If it is okay, then you find h. Why? Because h in terms of r is there. R we have found already. V dash r equal to 0. If you make, r value will come. This r you substitute here, then h will come. That h should be equivalent to 2r. Okay? That is the procedure. Okay. Write down V dash r. First derivation. See here, s by 2 will come. Why? Because d by dr r. Okay. Minus c pi r cube means 2 r. 2 pi r square. It's not r. 3r square. R cube means 3r square. 3 pi r square. Okay. Pi into 3r square or 3 pi r square. This is first derivation. But you make it is equal to 0. V dash r equal to 0 implies s by 2 is equal to 3 pi r square. Okay. Then see, you have to find here r. That means see, r square is equal to s by 6 pi. This is very important. Okay. Then what will be the r? See, r square is s by 5. 6 pi means r will be square root of s by 6 pi. Okay. See, r you are having, h also you can find. Afterwards we will find. Not urgent. But what is our next motto? Next motto is, you have to show V double dash r is equal to less than 0. Then only it is maximum. Volume is maximum. You see here, volume, maximum volume. V double dash r is less than 0. You have to prove. Write down V double dash r. See, V dash r is this much. R is not there. This is 0. Minus 6 pi r. 2r. Minus 6 pi r. Is it okay? Okay. Now substitute r. V double dash r at r is equal to s by 6 pi implies, okay, minus 6 pi into root s divided by 6 pi under root. I have split it. Okay, you see, root s, okay, here you see 6 pi root 6 pi. That means you can split to root 6 pi, then one root 6 pi is going to get cancelled. That means minus of square root of 6 pi s will come. Okay, this is also under root only. 6 pi s. Now you tell me, is this less than 0? Yes, less than 0 only. Why? Because minus has come. Surface area is a positive identity. Positive. 6 pi root minus. You write like this, sir. P double dash r is less than 0. Therefore, volume is maximum at r is equal to s by 6 pi. Okay, this is over. Now, see, all you have proved, okay, but finally what you have to prove? Finally you have to prove height should be 2 times. Height is equal to diameter, or height should be equal to radius. Okay. See what I am writing. Height h is equal to s by 2 pi r R I am writing like this. You see what I am writing here. Root S root 6 pi. Is it okay? Okay. Minus R completely you write down. Root S by root 6 pi. Okay. Now you cross multiply both. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, see 6 pi s will come. Why? Because root 6x, root 6 pi. Both are going to become 1. S 6 pi. That means 6s pi. I will write like this. 6 pi s. 6 pi s minus. Here also root s is going to get 1 single s. 2 pi s. Okay. Now you multiply this. If you multiply 2 pi into, see 6 pi s under root. Six pi s under root. Why? See, if at all same s is there, then going to get root cancelled. But this is different. This is different. That is why inside the root you keep all this. 6 pi s. Okay, 2 pi is outside. Okay, now you come here. 6 pi s minus 2 pi s, 4 pi s. Divided by 2 pi into square root of 6 pi s. See, pi this 2s by 6 pi s. Okay, root 2. Okay, now you see here what I am doing. That is equal to, you keep 2 outside. Okay, see root s I can do, but one root s is going to get cancelled. That means root s divided by, if root s already cancelled means 6 pi. Finally, shall I write like this? What is this? R only. Okay, that means H is equal to 2R. Hence proved. Like that you write and close this question. Okay? Okay. Let us go for 21st question. See this question. Here also cylinder only is there. Okay. You see what I am writing. Cylinder only. Cylinder means naturally one radius, one height. These two dimensions are important. How to find these two dimensions? Like this he is asking. See, if he asked us to find dimensions, any one dimension he has to give, he has given volume. Let us first study. Of all the closed cylinder cans of a given volume of 100 cubic centimeter. That means here volume I already given. See what I am writing. Volume V is equal to pi r square H is equal to 100 cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeter I am not writing, 100. Pi r square H is equal to 100, they have given already. Okay. Find the dimensions of can which has minimum surface area. You see, dimensions of can means, you see what he is asking, R is equal to question mark, H is equal to question mark. But one hint they have given. What is that hint? Minimum surface area. Surface area means what? Yes. And in terms of R you find double dash. Minimum means greater than 0 has to come. Why? Because minimum surface area. Minimum surface area. Okay, yes, double dash R should be greater than 0. Then only minimum surface area. Maximum means less than 0. Minimum means greater than 0. Okay, double dash. Second derivative. Like this you have to proceed further. Okay. You see, anyway we are going to do with R here, surface area. But in surface area R also will come, H also will come. Surface area formula I am writing, you see here again. S is equal to surface area pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square, okay, plus that surface area, curved surface area, lateral over curved surface area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r H. See here H will come, but we will do with R. This H you will get from here. See, H is equal to 100 by pi r square. Is it okay? Pi r square h is equal to 100 they have given volume. H is equal to 100 by pi r square. That means what will be the S? S will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into 100 by pi r square. Okay, you see what is going to come, that S finally, S will be like this. You see, S in terms of R only we have done, we have not yet differentiated. Okay, 2 pi r square, okay, plus you see 200, okay, pi r, 1 r got cancelled, but denominator 1 r is there, 200 by r. Okay, 200 by r, that's all. This is the function, surface area function, but this you have to make derivation. Write down S dash r is equal to, derivation you do and find r value, keep aside. Second derivation you do, substitute that r value, that should come greater than 0, then only surface area will be minimum like. Okay, this r you are having, H in terms of r also you are having this formula, substitute H also you will get, then both H and r you have got like. Okay, right, S dash r. Okay, you see 4 pi r, because d by d, if r with r you are doing means this is going to become 2r, 2r into 2 pi, 4 pi r, 4 pi r. Okay, okay, see here carefully you do, 200 is okay, of course this is going to become minus y, because see d by dx of 1 by x, like you are doing, minus 1 by x square, minus into 1 by x square, x square means here r square. Okay, over. Okay, now you see S dash r is equal to you have to make to get r value. Okay, S dash r is equal to 0 implies, you see what is going to come, that value 4 pi r is equal to 200 by r square, comma, see you want r value, then you send r one side, r cube is equal to 200 by, see 450 times goes na. Okay, directly shall I write 50 by pi, because r cube only pi will be there, pi 50 by pi. Okay, see r cube is 50 by pi, r will be 50 by pi whole 1 by 3 cube root. Is it okay? One value you have got, S dash r you have made 0 and one value you have got, r radius is 50 by pi whole to the power of 1 by 3 you have got. Okay, now you see S double dash r you have to find and substitute this r in that, that should come less than, greater than 0. Why? Because minimum surface area, that also you do. Write down S double dash r implies, S double dash r, you see S dash r final value is this one. Okay, see with r you are doing means, see r is there 4 pi minus 200, r to the power of minus 2 is there, like you think, minus 2 r cube, minus 2 r to the power of minus 3. Okay, you see here r to the power of minus 2 means minus 2 into r to the power of minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that means finally minus 2 by r cube will come, minus 2 by r cube, that means minus 2 means, you see 2, minus means already minus is there, plus 2 by r cube. Okay, r cube will come. Okay, wait, now you see 4 pi plus 400 by r cube is there. Okay, let it be. Now you see S double dash r at this value r, you have to find na, S double dash r at r is equal to 50 by pi 1 by 3 is equal to, see I am removing this figure, we don't require, we don't have space. Okay, okay, you see 4 pi plus 400 by r cube. Directly shall I take 50 by pi? Eight pi plus 4 pi, 12 pi. Now you tell me 12 pi is a positive value. Positive value means s double dash is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means minimum surface area. Okay, write down. S double dash is greater than 0. Therefore, minimum surface area at r is equal to 50 by pi whole power 1 by 3. This is over. See, question is minimum surface area. You have taken hint, but finally you have to find the dimensions. Dimensions means one dimension you have got. See, for cylinder only two dimensions, radius and height. One dimension r is there, another dimension h you have to find. You have to find from here. Okay, write down. Or shall I find any other area? Okay, let it be. We will find. Okay, h is equal to 100 by pi r square. You see, h is equal to 100. See, shall I write 2 into 50? 100. Why I have written, you are going to understand. 2 into 50 by pi r square. Pi r square means, you see, pi into r square means, you see how I am writing this. R is this one. Square means 2 by 3 will come. Divided by pi power 2 by 3. Shall I write into pi power 2 by 3? Why? Because see, 50 divided by pi means it goes top. Okay. You see here, what I do, see what I am doing. 2 into 50 power 1 minus 2 by 3. This 2 by 3, 50 has gone top, but this has come down. Divided by pi power 1 minus 2 by 3. This has gone down. Why? Because you see here, 50 by pi whole power 1 by 3 is there. Like that you can make. That is equal to, you see, 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. 2 into 50 power 1 by 3. See, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. Pi power 1 by 3. Is it okay? Yes. See what happened finally here, that is equal to, see, this is the final value. But we also can write h is equal to 2r. Why? Because r is 50 by pi 1 by 3. 2 into 50 by pi 1 by 3 is h. That means h is equal to 2r. What you understand by this practically? Practically, for a cylinder, if height is 2 times the radius, volume will be maximum, but surface area will be minimum. Minimum surface area. That you have to understand. For objective type questions also, without doing any brain work, directly you can write, okay, if height is double the radius, then volume will be higher, surface area will be minimum. Maximum volume, minimum surface area. Like that you can write in objective type question. Okay, we do one thing. We will stop this class here. And next class we will try to continue questions. Why? Because these are bigger questions, will take time and we have to finish accordingly. Thank you very much.